Hi, this is Kathie from Craft with Kathie. I would like to welcome you to Chalk Couture's Spring Collection. It is beautiful, it's colorful, it screams springtime, and there's all sorts of beautiful designs, something for everyone. Check out this cute carrot porch leaner. It comes in a bundle, which includes the stencil and the actual surface. You pick the colors that you want and paint it whichever way you want. I think it's adorable as a porch leaner, and I think it would actually be great propped up next to a fireplace. If porch leaners aren't quite your thing, how about a nice little door sign? This is Good Things Grow Here. It's bright, it's cheery, and it's easy. This is done on our rustic round. Now, you might think you're not creative, but believe me, you don't have to be. Chalk Couture has the tools to make everything easy. The other day, I heard someone call it the craft company for non-crafters. If you can butter toast, you can chalk. Now take a look at this. This is called the Blooming Tulips. Isn't it beautiful? It is actually done on an acrylic board and base. And the nicest thing is, if you make a mistake or you don't like the color, you could spritz it with water, wash it off, and use the surface again. Our chalk paste is removable from many surfaces. Feeling a little country? You could use our ink on a t-shirt and let everyone see how you feel. Our ink is great for things that are washable, such as clothing, fabric, or ceramics. Once it's heat set, it's permanent. So we offer primarily two mediums, chalk paste, not chalk paint, that's a totally different animal, chalk paste for things that will not be washed, and ink for things that will. Our transfers, or stencils, we call them transfers, are reusable. So use it to put it on a t-shirt and then make a sign. Make a couple different signs. You could use it over and over and over again. It's easy. Our chalk paste and our ink are both water soluble, so cleanup is simple. Wash the paste or ink off the stencil, set it sticky side up to dry. Once dry, put it on its backer sheet and put it back in its cellophane envelope. Here we have the Sweet Chicken Meadow design. On the left, you can see the chicks in yellow, and then that sweet little flower design is part of the backdrop. On the right, on the cutting board and on the canister, is Mother Hen. Isn't she rather dramatic looking? I think both would be lovely in a farmhouse kitchen. Our stencils come in 5 different sizes, from 4.5 by 6.5 inches to 18 by 24 inches. You can use all of the stencil or only the portion that you want. Here, this little container was enhanced with part of the Carrot Farm stencil. Let's see it as a sign. Here, the entire stencil was used. Don't those carrots look amazingly realistic? Here it was chalked on our premium Aiden board. It's a slightly distressed frame, and the board is magnetic, and you could use it over and over and over again. Tire of the design? Spritz it with water and remove the chalk paste, clean off the surface, and chalk a new image on it. You can change your design by the season, by the holiday, whatever suits you. Now here the Carrot Farm stencil is used again, this time on a canvas drawstring bag. It looks like it was chalked in, or probably inked in black on the light beige surface. Look at how versatile one stencil is. 3 different looks, and it's quick and easy. Look at that beautiful detail. Our stencils, which we call transfers, are different from regular stencils. We like to think of them as stencils on steroids. They're made from vinyl and silkscreen, and the silkscreen gives you this beautiful detail. They're adhesive backed and reusable. So make something for yourself, make something for a friend, make something for a gift. The choice is up to you. Here's a peek at the lookbook that is available on the website. full of bright and cheery colors, a couple new product lines. Look at all the different type of surfaces you can use our chalk and ink on. Aren't these beautiful? I love the Easter offerings. They are so bright and cheery. Did you see the new rice paper? And here's our artisan shapes. Lots of fun things on the horizon. Lavender Fields makes me think of a kitchen in an English cottage. Look at that awesome detail. Can you just about smell the lavender? This is done on a distressed shiplap board, but you could put it on whatever kind of surface you want. Let's switch pace a little bit and take a look at something honoring our little fur babies in our lives. Always think positive. Notice the heart and the paw prints. And this one really steals my heart. Dogs never lie about love. Isn't that true? Notice that little dog tag to the side of the sign? Yes, that's new, a new offering in our resin line. You could create those little tags yourself. We have many different shapes. This is Parisian Bunny. It was chalked in bark, a brownish, and then watercolored. Notice that the lilacs have been colored in and the orchid in the bottom right. Watercolor or not, the choice is up to you. Lots of different ways that you can use the same transfer. Let's take a look at some things perfect for Easter. Look at those bunnies in the basket. And if you look really close, you can see how the bunny treat pattern was used to enhance the matting on the photograph. We've got the bunny treat pattern used again on this little apron. I'm assuming with ink because you would think an apron would be washable. And then watercolored. And look over to the right. There is Bunny Basket on a table runner done in brown. What a nice little accent to your Easter table. Here's a bunch of traditional coloring used on Easter eggs. We have a couple different types of eggs. We have our little chunky chubbies that are off to the bottom right. Then we have our candle stands that come in two different heights, made with either 2 eggs or 3 eggs. And look at those luscious colors. They're shimmery. And then over to the left, we have hip hop, just on a nice little chunk of wood. And Just a Peep was used to create this sign, and also the bunny garland. This is definitely one of my favorites. It's made with Storybook Bunny. Here it's actually shown as a door hanger. Wouldn't that be just amazing on a nursery door? That little bunny just stole my heart. Here we have our minis. They're 12 different little designs on an 8.5 by 11 inch stencil. And I think they make the perfect little accent for baby onesies, but you can make lots of different things with them. Don't these look like fun? You can even chalk on plates, but bear in mind it's only decorative. Even with the sealer, I wouldn't add food to the top of it. Want to save money on your craft supplies? Perks members get 30% off all day, every day, and other specials occasionally throughout the year. And it's easy. Sign up as a Perks member for $20 a month, and in return you will get a product credit of $20 so that you can use that on any order in the next 30 days, and you get 30% off everything. How cool is that? If you'd like some more information, just comment Perks.